So how's the food?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, like a restaurant.
Thank you very much. And I've got something for you as well. There you go. This is like a little care package with toothbrush, toothpaste and whatnot in there. Big man. Soup, keep it warm. Would you like some soup?
It looks incredible.
Yeah, you can have some soup, man. Where could I get a shopping trolley from? I've been walking around town looking for a supermarket. I need a shop.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Do you want something to eat?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Easy, like easy to believe.
There's an angel about someone like him.
Yeah.
Can you feed everybody
Come all
in
the way from
London?
London
Yeah.
Yeah.
to feed Bristol.
Yeah, that's it.
That's
I'm just on a mission. I'm gonna see if I find some more people on the street and give them some food.
You want to go down towards...
Yeah, but then you go there and feed them.
I was at Victoria a couple of months back. And I was surprised. I mean,
Type of Pauline. You see when the pumpkin start to just mash done. You see colour just start to form. You see the...
I got one. You got one? Yeah.
No, I have one because this is for me. Big man, woolly hat. Big man, would you like a woolly hat?
No, I'm cool, bro.
You sure?
That's from in.
I'm a lid as well, please.
That's from
It's a
in.
little gift from me to the unit.
Alright,
Yeah, thank you. Pauline, a good vibe, man. We're there up on the mission and I hand out the food right after in Bristol. Yes, that is it.
Yeah, man.
A long time with that Bristol? Yeah. What's your name? Gary. What's Bristol like?
Go.
How many years have you been here?
24 so.
24 years. So Paulina, I separate the pumpkin and I collect pumpkin seed people because she have some sitting on the windowsill around here. What's the situation here in Bristol? What's your situation? What's your condition?
I've got some family here.
Yeah.
My mum just died a couple of years ago. My dad's dead. I've got a brother who's got an alternative lifestyle. I know a brother who's got 5 million on the lottery but not win a penny.
Wow. Huh? How long have you been homeless for?
10 years nearly.
On the streets? So don't Bristol's council provide?
A lot, yeah, you'll feel them, aren't you?
Yeah. It's people, so Wagwan, you don't know Wagwan already. We're in Bristol, people, and we're cooking some food for the homeless. So the first meal that we're cooking right now, yeah, for our sister Pauline, we run our sister Pauline people, yeah. We're doing some stew chicken. We're also gonna go out right now and go and get a shopping trolley. A good vibes, people, yeah. Big up yourself. Good vibes, yeah, man. Let's get on the road quickly, people, yeah. We're gonna look for a shopping trolley. Big up yourself. One love to each and every one of you that's watching Blessed New Year. You know, so we're there at Bristol right now, straight from London, people. Whoa, it's nice and bright outside, you know. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Yeah. A good vibes. Out of Bristol right now. All the houses them out here are colourful. You understand? Wake up in Bristol today, people, yeah, and we mash up a brown stew chicken and hard food for breakfast, you understand? We've got the vegetable soup that we're going to kick off as well today, people, yeah, and also we've got the brown stew chicken again that we already kick off for the people, them, you understand? A good vibes. Yeah, man, we're in St. Paul's in Bristol, people, yeah, then say I get to this, yeah, so we're there now, I get to people. One love. Yeah, man, we're there now, get up people, yeah. But at the same time, it's a blessed day. It's bright, it's vibrant, you understand? This is same place where when they keep carnival up here, you understand? The carnivals all around this strip here, around all this little community here, people, yeah. Like you seen on the last video, enough graffiti, bare graffiti, where we're going to right now. Right by the front line, because we're going to look for a shopping trolley. A good vibes. Graffiti even up there now. I wonder how they got up there to put the graffiti up there. But he up there. Put it in the comment section, people, yeah. Anybody that is close to Bristol or that is from Bristol, put it in the comment section and let us know, people, yeah. Our good vibes, big up yourself. The mission continue. We have 1 million people to feed. And Bristol, we're here in Bristol. There's St. Paul's Learning Centre right there, opposite us. Yeah, man, we're going to the front line right now. We look for a shopping trolley car, food have to cook today. Yeah, man, and food have to share out. So we need a mobile kitchen, people, yeah. are good vibes.
Completely homeless.
Huh?
Homeless.
How long you been homeless for?
10 years nearly.
On the streets?
Yeah.
So don't Bristol's council provide?
A lot, yeah, you're filming me, aren't you?
Yeah.
Why?
Because obviously, like, I go out and I document it. That's why I tell it to you. I'll have
We're doing
food.
homeless food. Homeless.
So I'll have some food ready in about half an hour, some brown stew chicken. I'm just going back inside quickly to just go and finish putting the last of the ingredients in the pot. I'm gonna come out. I'm looking for a shopping trolley actually. Where can I find a shopping trolley?
I have no idea.
Yeah, because I need to be able to can push the food around town and hand it out. Do you get me?
I don't know.
But I'll be back out in about half an hour, 20 minutes. Name, love?
Reds.
Reds?
Yeah.
Okay, Reds.
It's about red coal.
So look, Reds, look. I'm up here, I'm from London originally. I come up here to try and help a little bit the homeless and the needy here in Bristol.
Yeah.
You understand? So I'm out in the community today. Pauline, which part where I go? Where place name?
Storecraft.
Stokecroft. Do you know where that is?
Yeah.
So that's where I'll be. How far is that from here?
Down the bottom and around the corners.
Yeah? What's happening here?
I think they're taking his car.
Why?
So it's calling you.
Yes, people, so Rasta Wagwan, yeah, right? Me have some blessed. Me have some food when I got have for the homeless, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, in Stokecroft.
Oh, it's Stokecroft, yeah.
Yeah. I'll be there in about 20 minutes.
What sort of food is it?
Brown stew chicken and I got some
sounds good.
I got some ital soup as well.
And when will you be whereabouts in Stokecroft? By the shop.
By the shops. I just been the main street. I'm looking for a shopping trolley right now. What's your situation here in Bristol? What's your situation? What's your condition?
I've got some family here.
Yeah.
My mum just died a couple of years ago. My dad's dead. Got a brother who's got an alternative lifestyle. I've got another brother who's won 5 million on the lottery but won't give me a penny.
Wow. So you're homeless, your brother's won £5 million on the lottery and he won't give you a penny and you're out on the streets. Yes, people, look, I'm showing you that I'm here, I'm in Bristol, you understand? And we're going to put some love into the community. This gentleman here, what's your name, sorry?
Vernon.
Vernon.
Yeah.
Vernon, nice to meet you, yeah?
Very nice to meet you as well. What's your name?
My name's Ringo.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
That's proper name. That's a proper name.
Yeah. Now good vibes.
R.I.P.
So Vernon,
Yeah.
big up yourself, yeah?
Big up yourself too.
The kitchen will be out in a little while.
For the homeless,
Okay.
right?
So what go on here, so him? What go on here, so him?
They just, you know, they still carry my take out them tools them. Come, no video them.
Alright people, so we in our kitchen right now. And you understand? So the stew chicken, that's kinda like almost completed. And we just deal with the soup right now, people. Quickly. We're just pre-setting up everything quick and fast. People gonna slap some pumpkin in the pot right now. You understand? Good vibes. People, call, guess where I'm going right now, yeah? So I'm in the kitchen right now, yeah? And you see where it's kind of look a bit difficult, and this is the good vibes about having the kitchen. And big up Pauline as well, look how we in our kitchen, and I've got everything here prepped and whatnot, washed down already, people, yeah? We've got the brown stew chicken already ready. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go out and we're going to go and look for a shopping trolley, people, yeah? While the pot is slow cooking with the vegetables, yeah? I'm going to put the pumpkin in quickly, let it slow cook and get softened. I've already pre-prepped all the rest of the vegetables, then the cho-cho. We've got scotch bonnet pepper here, we've got garlic, we've got ginger, we've got thyme, you understand? We've got some everything in them, and I yam and then sitting there in peel and wash already. So alright, we have some okra as well in the bag. That's the only thing, you understand, that ain't gone in water yet. So yeah man, make we touch the road then no, and get a shopping trolley and I ate that, people, yeah? A good vibes, we're gonna feed some people today. That is it. Love in the house, people. Remember me tell you, sir, love in the house. You understand? A good vibes. No matter what business you got in Bristol now, artwork pen. I have no respect for no rules. Up here in Bristol, people, yeah, everywhere, getting paint up, yeah. A good vibe. We're here in Stoke Cross, people, yeah. Stoke Cross. Good vibe. Pistachio nuts.
Like tonight, you see the I'm out of the shop.
Yeah. Can't hear you, Pauline.
I round here, so.
Yeah.
I store craft,
Yeah.
but later on at the hours, you see the whole of them bungalows, you know?
Okay, so Pauline I said, what are homeless people them later night. So look at alleyway, I said, look at peer artwork, graffiti there everywhere.
I walk through, you know?
Me go walk through the town, man. Yeah. Yes, people, I'm in Bristol, but Bristol still does look a little bit ghetto still, me not telling no lie. So what's your name? Bro. Yeah. Alright, people, so. Eh? So we're in Bristol. A good vibe. Don't know what them are doing in phone box. You understand? You don't know, say the place active, said way. Yes, Pauline. The place active, man. Yes, people, if you big up Bristol, said way in a car. Yeah, man. It's a decent community, said way. What go on, brother? You alright? Big up Bristol, you know?
Yeah, man.
A long time with that Bristol? Yeah. What's your name? Gary. What's Bristol like?
Cool.
How many years have you been here?
24 still.
24 years?
25
years. Alright, Gary, can I ask you one question?
Yeah.
What does good vibes mean to you?
Well, you're a pleasant person. You're decent.
Decent?
Yeah.
Are you a decent person?
Yeah.
Good vibes, isn't
Any
it?
change, please?
Huh?
Give me a burger, please.
Any change?
I just some food. Them not no change right
I'll buy
now.
some food upstairs.
No, them not no change right
Apache.
now. Them not just some food. Alright, and you can eat. Come.
No, I'm gonna have some food. I'm coming up here with the pot in a little while, yeah?
Cool, man.
Pick
Yeah,
up
man.
yourself.
You get some food.
Alright. So this is some homeless people out here. Let me have a car out the kitchen now. I have Nicky and car out the kitchen, Pauline.
One stop a pound shop, I come down here by that.
Alright. Spin around the camera. This too. Eh?
You see that boy there?
Yeah.
That's why I say, no, you get some food to eat.
Yeah.
But him not no change, because he's a sort of person, grumble, and gone like a kite.
Okay, yeah,
That's why I
yeah.
say, no, him not no change.
I'll give him some food.
Get food.
True, then get some food.
You have it where you have it now.
We are go through, yes, sir? Alright.
It's a subway shuttle about.
Okay, there's a subway here, people, so since you say, look, show that somebody's sleeping there. What? A one whole tent, alright, that's a, alright, that's a. Look, alright, that's why we have to come feed the people. Them. Cause look at them. Bless, how you doing? You right, yeah? Coming out with some food. I'm looking for a shopping trolley. Where could I get a shopping trolley from? I've been walking around town looking for a supermarket. I need a shop. What's all these tents about?
There's people staying there.
So people sleeping there overnight.
You filming? Alright.
He's looking for a spot where them is, they put us something to eat.
Well, people used to come down here or Brunswick Square.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna come here because I can see a lot of tents and can tell that there's a lot of homeless people.
They're empty.
They're empty.
They're empty now here because of council.
Okay.
Because of council. But if you like have a set date.
They're empty tents out here, people. Yeah. Yeah, man. I'm strolling through town, Sedway, but a good vibes. We're gonna. They're not true. The people them just gone with them. I go. All right. True. I see them where so you go. Look at this. This is Tent City. Mad. We could never be more in the game than this, people. Yeah. Mad thing. Alright, we could never be more in the game than this, people, yeah. We got our shopping trolley, it's a mini one, but guess what? We're going to cook, people, yeah, and put the things down on the shopping trolley and come out, people, yeah. Mad things going on out here in town. I don't know what's wrong with that guy behind us, but mad thing. Yes, people, so yeah, man, we have to big up Bristol Sedway, the inner Bristol Sedway. Look, this man's scaring people on the high street. It's a mad thing. Manic here in Bristol, people, yeah. Bristol suffering from beer things. I've seen beer things since I've been down here in Bristol, people, yeah. But a good vibe Sedway, yeah, we're on a mission, one love. Every town has a glitch person in it. That was our glitch in Bristol, yeah. You understand? Every town has like a walking zombie. Something's taking over their body. You understand? Some form of entity or something. You understand? But we're there, so people, yeah, in the Bristol, they should be in the shopping trolley, yeah, back to base and load up. That is it, a good vibes. Everywhere you look around the little town here, there's homeless people. Alright, we're on the mission. We've got the shopping trolley right now, people, yeah. So yeah, man, let's get back to base. That is it. We're in the heart of Bristol, you know. Yeah, man, but we're heading back to the trenches, St. Paul's. You understand? Everywhere you look around here, around town, look even across the road over here, you can see homeless people over there, people. Yeah. So we're back out. Hopefully, they're in the same spot. When I come back later with the kitchen, you understand? Some people out on the road right now. It's a good vibe. The marathon, we're on the marathon right now. So it's a race against time to catch these people, to give them dinner, people, yeah? That is it, a good vibe. Because remember, I need to get back to London as well. I've been up here since yesterday. It's my second day in Bristol right now, people, yeah? Alright, a good vibes. Yes, everybody, so it's a mission right now to get back with the trolley, but at least we got a trolley, people, yeah? You understand? Ain't got the things them that we want in it right now, but yeah, man, the mission, this is the mission, people, yeah? I had to actually come out in town to walk, to look for a supermarket where I could get a shopping trolley, and when I finally got the shopping trolley, it was a baby one. I just have to work with them I get. You understand, people? Yeah, man, I have to work with them I get. A good vibe, same way. Yeah, man. Boy, falling. Hey. You got them mash up, you know?
Yeah, man. It's the road down there. Yeah. Come down. I think it's down.
No, but falling, when the food in the pot, you know, you can't. Could it? I try to tell you, say, man, you see when the food in the pot, we can't come on. No, we can't come on any back road here. Which way we are going? This way, yeah? Yes, people. So we're on some back road at Bristol. We just come out of the town centre. And go back to Fury Neck Woods right now. You understand? Finish off what we are dealing with. Good vibes. I had to come back, people, yeah. True, you lot don't even know how far I had to go to get the shopping trolley, yeah. The mission is real, people, yeah. Bless. Yeah, the mission is real, people, yeah. You know, I had to walk up and down to look for not walk up and down, but it was a little distance from where I was to get a shopping trolley. There ain't no, where I'm at in Bristol, there ain't no supermarkets right there. You understand? And this is going to be part of the struggle for the journey. When I come up to it, I will face it as and when it comes, just like today. You understand? We'll make it work. Luckily, I've got an indoor kitchen to start everything off from. You understand? That's the good thing about what's going on. You understand? A good vibe. Which way we go, Pauline? Straight. All right, look. Let me spin the camera around. Look where we are. Look. This little place here. Let me tell you, so we're back into the ghetto now. You understand? So back in our St. Paul's, you know, this is ghetto, yes, so. You understand, people? Yeah. So you can see that here that we walk out of town. You understand? We walk back in our St. Paul's. You understand? Yeah, man. That is it, people. So yeah, man. I see you guys again when I jump back in the kitchen, people. Yeah. One love. A good vibes. Everybody, so they're back in our kitchen again. Alright. See, you could have had the pot turned down real low, like I'm using the gas stove outside. That's how I was working with this one here, you know. So look, we've got the pumpkin in here. We've got all the ingredients in there, everything. You understand what you know, so Ringo Vision use. Alright, that is it. But guess what's going on right now, yeah? We're just going to make the pumpkin just boil out in the pot. And when that boil out in the pot and we break it down in the pot, people, yeah? After we break it down now, that's when we're going to start to add the rest of the ingredients that was chopped up and washed and left in the water from earlier. You understand? We left from Outer Road right now. Remember, so we have it. Yes, we have a stew chicken. We're just gonna. It's still hot, but we've got the gas stove. We're gonna turn it back on. So obviously we're gonna go out with it. We're gonna go out with everything piping hot today, people, yeah, and touch the streets of Bristol. Our good vibes. Had a marvelous time so far here in Bristol, you know. Yeah, man, the people them have been good to me. Welcome me good, you understand? One love to each and everyone that I've met so far here in Bristol. You guys have been good people, you understand? Clean-hearted people me meet so far upon the journey, you understand, people? Yeah, man. Alright, so everyone that's on the mission with me, people, yeah? One love to each and every one of you, you understand? Alright, we've got 1 million people to feed, and we need to reach all around the country. We need to be on some wheels, people, yeah? So guess what we're going to do? We're going to create the GoFundMe to help us, do you understand, to get the food truck on the road, people, yeah? We're still working off of the last GoFundMe. That's what's brought us here to Bristol right now. It's still helping us on the mission, people, yeah? So you guys' help have been absolutely amazing. Let's keep the mission going, people, yeah? You understand? I am a little bit tired. Yes, I am a little bit tired because I've come down from yesterday and it's been non-stop. You understand, people, yeah? I got up early this morning and I made some brown stew chicken, you understand? With some hard food fed away. And at the same time, we there, so I cooked this pot, yeah, sir, and we've done a mash up. You understand, people? So things are gone, and at Bristol with the people, yeah, one love, a good vibes. A good vibes are going in the kitchen. Look, yeah, man, the pot's just bubbling up, people, yeah, that is it. So we're just waiting for the pumpkin to get soft. Then I can start break down the pumpkin in the pot. Yeah, man, Bristol, we're there, you know. Yeah, man, food I cook for you people, them in the Bristol, people, yeah. Big up yourself, one love to each and every one of you. Terry, thank you for the hat, brother. Yeah, a good vibe. You and your missus came to drop the hat off, especially from Spain. Yeah, man, I appreciate that. And every one of you that's been supporting the channel, that's been putting in the GoFundMe, that's been making donations. You understand? You guys, I appreciate every single one of you. Some of you guys have come out and you've handed out knife, fork, napkins, plates, cups. I just want to let you guys know that I appreciate every single one of you because you guys help this journey that I'm on to become more feasible. You understand? Because you don't take off the strain and make it happen. You understand? Because you guys are actually a part of the journey with Ringo Vision. You understand? It's not just my journey, it's our journey, people, yeah? And you guys have helped us to feed so much people so far, and we're on our marathon to go to 1 million. You understand? I love that, people, yeah? Our good vibes. That is it. See the kitchen there now? Our good vibes. Wow, look at that, people. So yeah, man, the things are going right now. So you see the pot's got to that temperature that I'm looking for. Yeah, man, you see the heat, the bubble. Yeah, man, that means that the pumpkin has slowly get soft, you understand? And them tomatoes, they are boiling out into the pot, and that's going to become a part of the colour. As you can see, see the colour of them is starting to, you understand? A good vibes. As we wait for our transformation to go on in the pot, people, yeah, we're just going to chill for about 5-10 minutes, and then we're going to start to put the heavy ingredients and then break down the pumpkin, people, yeah. A good vibes. We've been here. I know the people them in Bristol, yeah, they can feel Ringo Vision's energy in the air, and then want the food, yeah, so I have to go carry the food, I go deliver to them, you know, hand deliver, you know. Yeah, man, no joke thing. Look up back everything else. You understand? That is it. The Paulina, I separate the pumpkin and I collect pumpkin seed, people, because she have some sitting on the windowsill on your girl said where to, you know. Yeah, man, a good vibe, so she have aloe vera. Yeah, man, Pauline, they are doing things, said we pepper up here, tomatoes up here. Yeah, man, everything up here. But look what I go and do a Pauline, like, I want to show you this door. See, magical part I put here, you know, Pauline. It's when the pumpkin start to just mash done. You see colour just start to form. You see the colour we look for? See the people. Me telling you, say, we don't need nothing. Yeah, we don't need nothing in our pocket to make the colour here we look for today.
No, natural thing.
Yeah, man, where people them get man a real Mackay.
Real thing.
Natural thing, you know.
Yeah, natural flavour, natural everything in the pot.
Yeah. Good vibe.
No formula.
Look at that, everybody. So, yeah, man, just breaking down the pumpkin. That is it. So we're going to create our transformation. You understand? Then we're going to put the rest of our ingredients in the pot. That is it, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Yes, everyone. So now that I've got the pumpkin broken down, you understand? I can start to add. You see them ingredients here now that I wash up already and just there sitting down in water. I can start to put these ingredients into the pot. More time. You understand? Some more cho. You understand? Some Irish potato, everything in there, man. Yam, dasheen, everything in there, man. Everything I get dasheen right now, people, yeah? A good vibe. Big up yourself. One love. Alright, everybody, this is where we reach right now. So, a good vibe. See the pot of soup here, so it's coming in nicely. Look at that. Wow, amazing, people, yeah? So, yeah, man, we're going to go out very shortly. Yeah, man, and distribute the food, people, yeah? It's been a very good day today. One love to each and every one of you that's been watching. That is it. Our good vibes. Rotted soup, people. The kitchen hot to do in a Bristol, no shopping trolley or soup through the streets. How you mean? Yeah, man, people, yeah. But guess what, yeah? I just cover it up with a box right now, you understand, to hold in some heat. You understand? You see the process, you see the mission today, yeah? We're on the roadside, yeah? We're in second gear at the moment, people, yeah? Just traveling down the road, you understand? And we're heading in towards town. It's a good look of 15-20 minutes walk, you understand? A good vibes. Look, as I'm traveling through the roughest parts of Bristol, people, yeah? With my shopping trolley, you understand? The mission has to continue, people, yeah? Through town. We're there, so we're up on the road, people, yeah? And as you see, so the mission continues. You see how I'm on the road right now? The same way the food truck, I got up on the road, you understand? I shub through, you understand? So, all in due time, you understand, people? But at the moment, we're making it happen, you understand, people, yeah? We've got a whole load of goodies here as well to hand out to the people them in Bristol as well, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Big up yourself. One love. We're in St. Paul's right now, traveling through St. Paul's, you understand? And we're heading into town, people, yeah? With the kitchen, people, yeah? And if we see homeless people on the journey as well, we feed them and give them food as well, people, yeah? That is it, our good vibes. You know what I go on, people, yeah? We're outside. Click on the link. You've been seeing the link on the screen, people, yeah? Just click in on the link and just watch some of my video them, you understand? You understand? Our good vibes, people. So we're active with the kitchen right now. In our first gear. So I go shoot up in our second gear and switch up the thing, you understand? Our good vibes outside, you understand? You know what time it is, people, yeah? And you know where we are, people, yeah? We have to shove the kitchen, you know? We have to shove the kitchen from out of the ghetto. And we're going to go back to that place where I was walking around town today and looking for the homeless people them. and I know where they set up and tent out. So yeah, I go and travel with the kitchen people, yeah, and make them get the food tonight. And I also got some things, because I was checking on them, I got some things for them as well. Good vibes. We outside people, yeah. Just click on the link on the screen and we're there. Yes, people, so we're outside with the kitchen right now. I think we spot some homeless people across the road. So yeah, man. Come, Pauline, come. Yeah. Yeah, till I want to go on here, so people. Come in. Come on. Stop. Come on, Pauline, what I deal with. Huh? You right, guys?
Want some soup? Warm soup and thing?
Yeah. One second.
Hello?
You right, guys? I got some food. Would you like some food?
You want some soup?
Come.
Jamaican food.
Jamaican?
Yeah.
Yeah, just wait there 1 second, please.
Wait. Share it.
Pauline, excuse 1 second, let me just.
I would love some Jamaican
Yeah.
food.
Hold on, Pauline. Make it stop yourself.
Thank you very much, you're a gentleman.
All right, you're welcome. Pauline,
Jamaican food, oh.
listen.
Thank you very much, England, and the people in Bristol that take care of the homeless.
A Jamaican
people
food, real
that can't afford
Jamaican
it.
soup and Jamaican, you know?
These people go out in the freezing cold and feed homeless people. They're angels.
But this is real Jamaican food, you know? And I'm sure you eat jerky.
So we got culture as well in the food.
But this is real Jamaican. Real
I like
Jamaican
Jamaican
food.
Alright, so we organise. I'm just out here, I'm from London, and I'm just trying to just help the people here in Bristol and just give them some food. So I've been cooking some vegetable soup today, with some yam, got some good nutrients in there, like cold and
I'm diabetic, so good food is what I need.
That's it, I'm ready for today. What's your name?
Alan.
Alan. Nice to meet you, Alan. My name is Hugo. Can you stand back a bit, please?
Is it like this? Hold up. I want the camera good.
Yeah.
Yeah, he feed the hungry in London too. Hello, Alan. He feed them a London too. He feed the homeless and the hungry people them a London, all over London.
You're a gentleman.
I'll bring you a spoon. Take a seat. I'll bring you a spoon.
Hold it good. Hold the soup.
Hold it good. Yeah.
Manager.
So how's the food?
Beautiful, like a restaurant.
Thank you very much. And I've got something for you as well. I've got a hat, and I've got a care pack, some like essential stuff like toothpaste, toothbrush.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah? I'll get that for you, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
You're a gentleman.
Pauline, roll the camera for me there.
Let's be.
Yeah. What you think of it already said it? You just give me one of them, yeah?
I'm not touching it.
Yes, people, so we're in Bristol right now. We just give the gentleman a hat. And can you show them your little care pack?
Care back. Because it's hard to get.
Toothbrush and toothpaste.
Because it's hard to get a dentist.
Toothbrush and toothpaste.
I got a broken
I've got
jaw,
toothbrush and toothpaste.
and they won't
You
take.
know, there's something you have toothbrush and toothpaste. You should look down, man.
No, I don't have any clothes. Thank you very much, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
See,
Alright.
the toothbrush,
Easy, like easy to believe.
There's that
Scripture.
angel about someone like him.
Yeah.
Can you feed everybody
Come all
in
the way from
London?
London
Yeah.
Yeah.
to feed Bristol.
Yeah, that's it.
That's
I'm just on a mission. I'm gonna see if I find some more people on the street and give them some food.
You want to go down towards...
Yeah, but we was gonna start there at the shop and then go in town underneath the subway.
Yeah.
That's something. Let's go in that town
Yeah.
and then we come back home. Yeah.
Alright, thank you very much, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright,
All
bless.
the best.
Thank
Take up your food, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna...
Yes, people, so we are entering to the zones now where we actually want to be, people, yeah? Yeah, guys, it's steep too, you know? This is where we are, people, yeah? I don't know if you remember this little site from earlier. Good vibes. Yeah, man, we're outside with the kitchen. Yeah? So this is where they call the bear pit, people, yeah? So we're going back right to the bear pit right here to give people food. Right here, this is where we was earlier, where we see the tents them. You understand? People them set up right here, so. Eh? I mean, I forgot on the high street as well, because the people there saying that this is called the bear pit, people, yeah. So this is where all the tents them are set up. We don't know if anybody's home or whatnot, you understand? But we come out here this evening and we're gonna just find the people them. They must be local anyway, yeah, and just give them some food. Yeah, man, good vibes. Yes, people. So yeah, man, I'm just gonna shove the trolley through. Find myself through town and find out who wants food. How you doing, guys? You alright, yeah? How you doing, big man? You alright, yeah?
Yes,
I got some dinner.
On your way back through, not right now. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to lie to you.
You sure?
Flex is different.
Got some Jamaican soup.
Which soup you got anyway?
We got some Jamaican soup and some brown stew chicken.
Brown stew chicken, I'm not going to have any.
Huh?
Brown stew chicken, I'm going to have any.
You want some brown stew chicken?
And dumpling and nice. This big?
Yeah. Want some food?
Huh? Yeah, you can get a soup.
National anthem.
And the body soup is not England, no, brother. Yeah.
I didn't expect to say no different, man.
And guess what?
Yeah, man,
It's just the homeless people them getting it. I don't
Okay,
sell this
okay.
soup. So you understand?
Okay.
I cook this one here for you, look.
Come on.
That's what I'm doing in London. Hello. That's what he do in London. He feed everybody on the subway. Yeah, it's from London, yeah. It bounces up the cool, the spice. The spice, you know, the pepper.
Yeah, the herbs.
Yeah.
Brother, they herbs in there, that's perfect.
But this is what he's doing in London. He feed everyone in the subway. And you know the tube station, you go there and feed them.
I was at Victoria a couple of months back. And I'm surprised. How many Chinese?
Can I serve it as well, please?
Yes. If you want, you can also get some stew chicken as well. Both.
I might go look at that.
Yeah.
The herbs in that is nice. It's nice.
Is that right?
Yes, people. So we're just here and we're at the bear pit right now, and we're just giving the gentlemen them here some food.
Lovely food.
Thank you. Would you guys like some food?
Oh, no, I'm good. No.
You sure I've got some soup? Keep you warm? Would you like some soup?
It looks incredible.
Yeah, you can have some soup, man.
Oh, you
Sorry. Some people don't want to have their face shown, but yeah, I'm gonna just hand out some soup here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Can I get one of them?
Yeah. Of course. Hold this for me, please. No. Yeah. You have to be careful. No. Just this onion I use. Well, that's it. Yeah. Just the onion. No, just the onion. No.
Like this?
Yeah, just one onion.
Okay.
This is like a little care pack with a toothbrush.
Just like the
toothpaste,
food.
whatnot in there. Big man.
Take it, brother.
Yeah, one for you. You like a little care pack, sis? It's got toothbrush and toothpaste and all that in there.
I'm good. I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, I've got everything.
you go, mate. Would you like a woolly hat as well?
I got one.
You got one?
Yeah.
No, I have one because this is for me.
Thank you.
Big man, woolly hat. Big man, would you like a woolly hat?
No, I'm cool, bro.
You sure?
That's from in.
Can I have a lid as well, please?
That's from
It's a
in.
little gift from me to the unit. Alright, yeah? Thank you.
My friend. Yeah. A lot of homeless people need to be fed.
Yeah.
And
Good vibes. And there's a lot of fed people that need to take homeless people.
you understand?
Yeah, man.
Can I have a lid?
You want a lid?
Hey, lid.
Get the other little bit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I'll turn up on this one. Negative vibes.
So what I'm doing right now is just handing out some stewed chicken as well. So yeah, man, the gentleman here wants some stewed chicken. This is it, people. Yeah, so we're handing it out. I'm gonna put it on your table because you guys got a table here.
Yeah.
You guys get a table.
Here you go. Don't put it on the edge of the table though, because I'm pinned over.
How much chicken meal should I do? One on three. Should I do on three as well?
Not for me. I'm gonna get too much food as is already.
Right, darling?
Happy New Year. You like some food? You like some food? What's food? We got some ground stewed chicken. We got some food.
Good food, man. You know you want some. Come in.
Take the food, big man. Sure?
What's that?
Take the food, man.
Show me, I want to see.
Can you say, brother, it's that?
Stewed chicken.
That's banging.
It's nice. Stewed chicken, like, you know, like with bacon chicken.
Yeah,
Stewed chicken, yeah.
Food, purple, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
They don't just got food, they got lovely food for you, bro. Try that. Yeah, I want that. I'll try some in a minute. Banging.
Thank you very much, my brother.
You're welcome.
Come on, man.
And it's good soup, nice and warm, you know?
Man, it'll
Warm up with
warm
chest.
you all night.
The rascal.
Open up your belly.
Bombo class.
Understand?
Yeah.
Good after proper party, man. Yeah.
Good vibe. So we're there. So Pauline, a good vibe, man. We're there up on the mission and I hand out the food right here in Bristol. Yes, that is it. People, so we're there, so you don't know. So the people them get some brown stewed chicken. They get some ital soup as well. You understand? Pick up yourself, big man. One love. One love. One love. A good vibes. Yes, so we're just traveling through town, people, the kitchen. Bristol. We're there. Enough homeless people that are Bristol, man, and we have to look. We have to just make sure so the people them get the food, people, yeah. We outside on a mission, you know, and the mission is to feed 1 million people, yeah. Any means necessary. You understand? Even if we have to shoot the hand cart, you understand? Around town, you understand? Just to keep the mission going, you understand? And keep the love. And you see the humanitarian part of it, helping humanity, that is a must. So this is where I reach right up here, and I reach up this way. Yes, people, so I just reached in the heart of town right now, so I'm on the high street, and I got the kitchen right here. So what I'm gonna be doing right now, yeah, is just, yeah, man, ride around, ride me, I ride on, no, drive me, I drive on, no, people, yeah. I just dropped back into a lower gear right now, and I'm just surfacing the town right now with the trucking trolley people, yeah. There's a good vibe. We just fed some people there in the bear pit. I'm gonna head back to the bear pit again. You understand? But yeah, man, so far Bristol, yeah, Bristol's got a type of energy and a type of vibe to it, yeah, where the people them, you see the people them down there, it's like there's a lot going on, but in between the lot going on, there's niceness, and there's derelict buildings, there's abandoned places, and there's a lot of homeless people in between the activities of a city and a ghetto just on the outside of the city as well, people. Yeah, you understand? Where everywhere you go is graffiti. Every single place you go is graffiti, you understand? But at the same time, which is it's the first time I've been in Bristol like this, so it's all the experience for me as well. Yeah, we could go and do a step then, man. Our good vibes. And I went to that Costa earlier. That band that was underneath the shop place there earlier is not there now. So yeah, man, we'll continue shove the shopping trolley around, people. And we spin the camera around. They still got some Christmas decorations them up in the place. You understand? Yeah, man, over there, man, it's a good vibe, said way. And the high street is a bit empty right now. I would have loved to be there in the daytime, you understand? And interact with the local people them in Bristol at the same time. But right now, we're on the mission. The night come down on us, so we have to work with the mission and the time frame that we get said way. You understand? A good vibe. This is the Christmas decorations. I just thought I'd stop and I'll show you guys what they got. I spend all the money on sitting them, but people them dump on the ground. Them hungry. Up in the air, fantastic. But right down on the ground, you understand? And this I go on the ground, people. I got some vegetable soup and I also got some brown stew chicken.
Alright, let's go in the car.
Would you like a woolly hat? Would you like a hat? How long you been homeless for? Okay, alright, no problem, yeah? Alright. Yes, people, so there's a lot of different type of behaviors here. Bless. Yeah. There's a lot of type of behaviors here in Bristol, you understand? So you can tell that person's probably not really gonna stereotype anybody, you understand? But you can tell what I go on right there, so at the same time homeless, but at the same time something's going on at the same time, people, yeah? So it's I'm seeing it and I'm showing it to you guys as I'm seeing it, you understand? Because I'm out and I'm shoving the shopping trolley. The ones that want food, you know, they're the ones that are homeless, and you understand, they're not really an addict of anything. And then you got some that don't want food, that's you understand, going through different scenarios, you understand? A good vibes. So if you need something and you're hungry, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Do you want something to eat?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Do you work?
Yeah.
In the clean? Oh yeah, I'll take one.
You want one, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me give you one, man. Have something to eat, man.
It's like Champion Square.
Let me just give you some soup. 1 second. What a day. Yes, people, so Bristol and its homeless society is something different, people, yeah? Bristol have a lifestyle of its own. It's got its own lifestyle, people, yeah? So, yeah, man, good vibes anyway. Big up the people from Bristol. You understand? We helped some people today. This evening, would I come back up to Bristol again to do the mission again? Of course, definitely. You understand? Because one time could never be enough, you understand? It needs to be a repetitive action ongoing, you understand, people? Yeah, I'm just in the shop right now, just getting a couple little light snacks for myself. Got some fruits here, some orange, pear, grapefruit, apple, you understand? Good vibes, people. Yeah, big up yourself. One love to each and every one of you that's been watching us on the journey, that's been following the whole movement, you understand? Good vibes. All right, we're done with the shop, people. Yeah, so yeah, man, it's a chill off vibes now and just relax, you understand, people? Yeah, I'm gonna be going through all the visuals them, you understand, and I'll be going through all the commenting through the channel. There's been a lot of comments, you understand, you guys, bear with me. I'm going through them one by one, you understand. There's loads of comments. Keep leaving your comments, you understand, people, yeah. Keep giving your feedback. It's very, very important, you understand. We're there at Bristol right now. I'm gonna try and do like a little map with different locations in England, and we start ticking them off, people, yeah. So we're here in Bristol, so we can tick Bristol off. So it's a good vibe. We started off the first week in the UK, and we're on the road, you understand? And let's just keep it going, people, yeah, and see if we can venture across the UK, you understand, and continue the mission, you understand, helping those in need, giving back to the local community, and especially helping the homeless people, yeah. Yeah, man, which road is my road again? All right, that is it. Good vibes. We're outside. Bristol is it's one of them places there still, like, how would I say it? It seems like a place that anything can go on, really, and everything is happening, really, you understand? It's one of them places there, but it is where it is, people, yeah? Keep the love, you understand? And keep the unity and the togetherness, and that is it, people, yeah? Good vibes. See how some of the buildings in Bristol look here. They look like this, and where it's got like a lot of graffiti and things like that, it just makes the place look a bit rural and have that ghost town effect to it, you understand? Just like how you see how the place is quiet up here. So this is St. Paul's, so you understand, I could imagine the activities that happen in and around the town, said where, people, yeah. One love.